In today's video, I'm going to show you how to write a commit message using AI and Cursor. First, make some changes in your project so you have files ready to commit. Next, go to the Source Control panel in Cursor on the left sidebar. You'll see all your modified files listed there. Now stage your changes by clicking the plus icon next to each file, or stage everything at once. Instead of writing a commit message manually, look for the AI option in the commit message box, or open the AI chat and ask, generate a commit message for these changes. Cursor will analyze your stage changes and generate a clean, descriptive commit message for you, usually following conventional commit style. Once you're happy with it, paste or insert the message into the commit box and click Commit. This saves time and helps keep your commit history clean and consistent. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please feel free to use the affiliate link in the description.